Your heart is beating. Your hands are working. Your heart is with the divine. Your hands are in nature. To meditate, do I need to climb up to a mountain, sit in a dark room, or be in a lotus pose? Can I be meditating right there, open eyes? Attention, intention is in place. I'm doing whatever I need to be doing. I'm not thinking about 5 minutes ago even. I'm not thinking about future. My brain is quiet. My mind is quiet. I sense a feeling of joy. I sense movement around me. I can feel the wind. I can feel the coldness of the fruit. I can feel the beauty. The colors are mesmerizing. I can see every single one of them is radiating beauty. I can see the beauty. The more I see the beauty, the more it resonates with me. I feel beautiful. Among all the chaos in the world, among everything happening, this little moment that I have with the strawberries, I'm happy, I'm peaceful, I'm at home. I know I'm doing something that I like, that I'm passionate about, that I love doing. It's small, but it is immense at the same time. I'm filled with awe, I'm filled with peace. I love what I am doing. My hands are moving, my eyes are looking around and seeing. I'm in flow. Thoughts arise, but I focus on whatever I am doing. Feelings entail them, but I focus on whatever I am doing. The more I focus on, the more I remind myself, attention. I'm attentive. I do not bring my past to the table. I'm not thinking about future, or I'm not worrying about it. Now I feel timeless. I am one with life. Life is me. I do not even know myself anymore. I do not exist. It's just fresh feeling of love and flow. This is life. This is love. Much love to everyone. Yes, you can meditate with strawberries or you can meditate anytime.